Couch with Koel. It's a unique occasion. I've had to extend my couch to accommodate Mr. Shotgun, Mrs. Shotgun and Junior Shotgun. I have the whole Sinha family right here with me. Welcome.
Thank you.
How has life changed after the success of Dabangg? I want to know in the Sinha household.
It hasn't. I still get yelled at for waking up late. I still get yelled at for not making my bed. It's not changed.
Is it true? You're traveling with her a lot more,
Yes.
so a lot of practical things have changed.
Yes,
no?
that way they have. But otherwise, at home, she's still Sonakshi, Sona, and you can't do this and you can't do that, and you have to get up in time, and just the same way. Why should it change, Koel?
Because, you know, you're sitting there as proud parents looking at her. She's just made this amazing speech also in front of a distinguished and quite a powerful audience. There must be some kind of emotion that has changed towards her. Suddenly you look at her not as baby Sona, but as someone else. What is that someone else that you're seeing today?
Well, if I'm allowed to speak today,
You're allowed
to speak, since the female shotgun and the junior shotgun and the female shotgun being around, let me say that indeed Sonakshi is the answer to our prayer. She is the apple of the eye. She is the pride of the family, but nevertheless, she is the most darling daughter of the family. And the moment we say she is the most darling daughter of the family, being the only daughter in the family, naturally she is the most darling. And being the most darling daughter, we see her as the daughter in the family, but also realizing that the situation has changed. Fortunately for her and for the whole family, even for her brothers, Love and Kush. Now, sometimes they or we all have to bask in the glory or newfound glory of stardom of our daughter Sonakshi. That understandable, but that's this basically outside. At home, we are all one, all united, all a loving family and a great family. And there's no differentiation. If she had to make tea for us, though she has never made, but she can make. And she has to do anything. No, ye karo, wo karo, she says. And fortunately for her, I would say, she has got a great mother at home.
Oh.
The kind of...
Not bad.
compliments on a public platform.
But I haven't yet said that great wife. No. I said great mother. Great mother. मेरी बात
Took it back, huh?
अरे यही तो इसलिए और ऐसे मदर जितने संस्कार दिए, संस्कृति दी, जितना अपब्रिंगिंग दिया, the values दिया, the way she has sacrificed herself, and the way she has taken care of the entire family, and especially Sonakshi, being the daughter. So इसका एक अलग charm है, एक अलग बात है, एक अलग मजा है.